Hey guys, my name is Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. I'm behind my 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I'm actually outside with the entire family, and of course I apologize being a little bit not so quiet. Cool. Jonah just opened up the tire carrier by Wilco, and he was curious how to get it open. And that brings a good question. Someone actually asked on another video of mine is how does the rear camera work? You know, can you see out back from it? And unfortunately, with the tire carrier and where the camera is, you're not be able to see. So the way the camera is usually right there, right, Jesse?
Yeah, no camera, it's covered.
Yeah, I removed it.
And it's right there now.
Yeah, and the reason being is because that tire, if it would literally be, I think it's about this view in the camera when it's on, approximately. So what I did is drop the tailgate, basically this wiring here. You see this harness? This harness is actually run underneath the bumper already, right here. I basically just removed it from the back here. It's really easy to do. I have the Relentless cover on here, but I'll link the other video how to remove everything. So you just remove that and you just unbolt literally 2 bolts. You can see right there.
Yeah, I see these 2 bolts.
Exactly, to the camera. And then it just comes off. And I just rerouted this camera. This doesn't have any extended wire soldering or anything. Literally it's the same wire untouched. All I did is I moved it away from the tailgate here to the bottom here, right behind the license plate. It's super easy to, you just trace it and you'll be able to get at it. You detach it actually from the camera right there, and you just run that harness, like I said, from the tailgate. What are you doing, Jonah? From the tailgate all the way down there, and you just put the tailgate cover back on. And then this one, I kind of ghetto made this this ABS sheet. It's not the prettiest thing, but I just fabbed it real quick because I mean I could just use the ears that came on the camera, but I decided
up here now.
I decided not to do that because of less stress. I'd rather put the stress on the extra piece of plastic instead of the actual camera itself, because the camera, I think new wise is a lot of money, used is not too bad, but still I just didn't want to do that. What I'll do is I'll show you how it looks like with the camera on in a minute. I think it's a connection.
Got
there
it.
You go. Okay, so that's the rear camera. You see Jonah just ran by it, and that's with the tire carrier all the way closed. So you can see I still have room. It's not the same position as the stock one, but it definitely gives you enough visibility to see what's going on. And I actually can drive with this. Just show them the front camera and the rear, how you do it.
Okay.
Well, it went to the front that way.
See,
that's how it goes to the front with my anytime camera connection. And I have a video on that. I'll link it as well.
I have the buttons right here.
That's what I like about this camera setup. I have the front and rear, and I have clearance. Okay. All right, so guys, that was a quick video doing the dad life thing. So it's a little bit noisy. I do apologize for that, but you know that's what happens when you have 4 kids. All right, you guys have any questions, comments, post below. And what do you say, Jesse?
Peace out.
Peace out.